We approach wellbeing consciously, if I can put it like that. We have those age-level appropriate conversations so that children can articulate how they feel, that we encourage them to take notice about how their fellow pupils feel. And it's something that we talk about explicitly through our assemblies, and it's a constant conversation.
When you don't have any friends or anybody, then it feels like you're not you.
Perfect. So look, happy, lonely, disappointed. Well done, Jack.
One. I'm going to get one answer from each table. Who feels confident explaining?
But if we work on our own well-being, we'll be able to deal with those problems a little bit better.
The well-being side of learning goes hand in hand with the academic learning, and if we don't get the first one right, we won't get the second one right, and we know that at school.